Millin here from Tesla Taxi in Brisbane. Just wanted to show you what to expect if you're renting a StarLink kit from us. If you want to log in, once your StarLink is all set up on a regular computer, excuse the one-man video here, you select the name of the StarLink network you're connecting to, hit connect, put in your password, and hit connect. And that's a Windows demonstration there. Once you're connected, you should be able to just refresh the speed test here and check what sort of download speeds we're getting here in Brisbane. So that's over 80, which is pretty good. If we've got a laptop or an iPad, I should say, this one here is already connected. And if we're using the StarLink app, pretty fast to download. Once you're on the same network, once you're connected to your StarLink network, the app will automatically be logged in. You'll be able to see a welcome screen like this. If you're just logged into the network and you go to the account, obviously it will ask you to sign in, but if you're just using it as a guest, you'll still be able to check all of the visibility for setup and speeds, etc. through the app. Any iOS device on the app will work the same way. As you can see here, this is now installed, and we can open that up. And as you can see, without any extra username or password, it's picking up that we're on the network just because of our Wi-Fi, and we can go directly here to settings. As I said, any device, you won't be able to change the password of your network obviously, but you will still be able to stow your device. So as you can see, the unit itself is currently in use, but anyone can hit stow. And that will fold up the unit ready for storage. So you don't need the master username and password to actually connect to StarLink and operate it. That's another speed test we did earlier. One of the other laptops here. That's the StarLink kit. As you can see, the router is the white and silver unit, and the power supply is the black unit. We've got that running off a little inverter here, off the truck. But of course, we could be using that just on mains power. Tesla-Taxi.com.au if you'd like to rent one of these kits in Brisbane, Sydney, Melbourne, or anywhere that we can ship to in Australia. Thank you.